What's the word? Huh? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Hop on the scene like what's the word? Original visuals back with another one, do it no other way. Changing the colorway. Louis is minimal, blue act with the royal ones.
Royal blue ones?
Rare individual, rude boy is my native tongue.
Bad man.
Nike my ritual, quality, this is on feet. Everything digital, need kicks, you can call me. Value is critical, clean whip, this is all me. Pull up with the package so nothing is average. The latest in fashion, subscribe to the channel, I'll give you the status if you wanna grab it. Hop on the scene like what's the word? Original visuals back with another one, do it no other way. Changing the colorway. Louis is minimal, blue act with the royal ones. Rare individual, rude boy is my native tongue. Nike my ritual, nigga.
What's the word, YouTube? And I'm back with another visual from your boy Original. You see what we got going on, y'all. Another Jordan for your head top. But before we get into the Ginger 14, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and subscribe. All is greatly appreciated. Okay, so we have the Ginger 14s right here, my people. The Ginger 14s. The last time we seen these joints, they were low. They released in September 15th, 1999. I was 9. I was a young buck. I wasn't into Jordans back then, and I definitely wasn't into release dates. Growing up with a traditional moms, I got a lot of sneakers, but I wasn't big on release dates, if you feel what I'm trying to say. As I got older, I found out more about the release dates and East Bay and Foot Locker drops and all that good stuff. But in this video, as well as all my other videos, we will be discussing colorway, quality, and if we should grab them or not. These joints is alright, but I do prefer them low. I just could not let them sit in stores. They are still online available. $210 on the sneakers app, $210 on Foot Locker. Get out there and see if you can grab them if you want them. But anyway, starting with the colorway. On the bottom of our sole here, we have a predominantly black leather throughout. We have a patch of white on our back heel. We have a white Jumpman on our forefoot, and we have that yellow circle with the Roman numerals 14 on the upper foot. Continuing on to the midsole, we have a black and white. Continuing on to the toe box area, the toe box is in a white. We have that Jumpman on our toe box. Continuing on, the whole side paneling is of ginger. Another word for ginger in this case would be yellow. It's a dark yellow though, not a bright yellow, pretty dark. Continuing on to our tongue, we have a black tongue. We have our rounded laces. On the top of our tongue, we have Jordan stitched in that ginger, aka yellow. And behind the tongue, we have the 14 and the Roman numerals. So the colorway to these joints right here is fairly simple. A lot of people think there's a lot going on with them. I don't personally. I do prefer them low, but seeing them high was different. So I had to acquire them and review them for you. I hope you guys like them, especially when I throw them on feet. This colorway comes together very clean. Yellow, black, and white is a very clean look. For those who don't know what to wear with these, I suggest something Bruins. Yeah, shout out Boston, man. Boston Bruins for these, I'm saying. The Boston Bruins will go good because the yellow is dark. Same thing with the team. The yellow that they use is fairly dark. So colorway to these joints right here, I'm gonna rate these a 6 out of 10, which is not bad, but the price for these is kind of steep. $210. I think these should have been $190. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Okay, moving on to the quality. The quality we have here is substantial. It's not over the top. It's not the best. It's just regular. On our outer sole, we have that rubber on our outer sole, black rubber. Our midsole is of a rubber as well. Our toe box is of a synthetic leather. Our side paneling of medial and lateral side is of suede. Our tongue is of suede as well. Moving upwards toward the top of the tongue, we have a stretchable mesh material. We have that ginger stitching on our top tongue, reading Jordan. And behind that, we have the 14. Continuing on to the back heel, we have some more rubber going on here. We have a black triangle at the bottom. Continuing on, we have that black rubber patch with the white Jumpman, the white 23. These joints, when it comes to quality, I'm gonna rate these. It's not over the top, like I said in the beginning. They just right. They just good enough to be a good shoe. They didn't throw collaboration material on these joints right here. With a steep price point at $210, why don't we have the best? Why not? We're paying $200 some odd dollars on these joints now. Give us what we need when it comes to the quality. Come on, Jordan. But anyway, should you cop? Wait till the price drops. These are probably gonna go to the outlets because they did not do well in store and online. If you check online right now, these released about, and I'm sorry guys, I'm bringing you this video kind of late. For those who don't know, I am a barber, and barbering is my first thing right now. So YouTube kind of comes second, but I'm still trying to push the both at a reasonable pace, if you feel what I'm trying to say. But cutting hair all day and then coming home to do videos is kind of a lot. Some days I just want to chill with the fam and eat and just see how their day has been. Don't be mad at me, y'all. I'm trying to bring you this consistent content. I'm just finding ways, you know what I'm saying, to do it throughout my everyday life with being a barber. Anyway, should you cop? I don't think you have to cop these. And if you do want to cop them, wait till the price drops. Like I just said, they did not sell good. So these are going to the outlet. For those who live in Massachusetts, Rent the Mall is getting these, y'all. Do I know when? I don't know when. But if you have some time, go down there and check them out. They may have them right now. Foot Locker, the price may drop. One thing, online, the price is not dropping at all, y'all. Whatever price you see online is the price you see online. If they're $210 there, that's what they are. I don't think these are worth $210. I honestly don't. So should you cop? Nah, I don't think you should. Honestly, if I had someone to buy these off me, I would sell them. But these drop below retail already. On StockX, GOAT, they're below retail. So that just tells you that they're not highly anticipated. So don't cop. In this video, I'm gonna throw them on feet, show you what they look like. Maybe that would change your mind, persuade you to grab them. You know what I'm saying? That's my job as a YouTuber, to throw them on, talk about them, and convince y'all to get them, even if you don't want them. But before I get on to the on foot, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. All is greatly appreciated, man. Thank you for rocking with me. Road to 500 subscribers, y'all. Remember, my giveaway is at 500. The first person to comment on my video, and you already have to be subscribed. You have to be following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. My name on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram is Original Shotters. The first person to comment on that video I dropped after I reached 500 subscribers is getting the giveaway. My names will be in the description below. Make sure you stay tuned. Stay with me, y'all, because that giveaway is coming. I'm approaching 500 real fast, y'all. Thank you for rocking with me.